Hey guys, 1,000 subscribers. I want to thank you for the help. This really means a lot to me. I am taking this as a great responsibility to help you get better and for us to get rich together. Anyways, here is the technical analysis behind the recommendations I am giving for Market Monday. Let me get let's start right away. Let me get the first pick, which is SSP. SSP. So this is SSP right here. And why did we pick SSP? So number one is really it's the Bollinger Band trigger right here. If you remember the last video for the review about Bollinger Band, I think I posted this last Saturday, right? It was the review for the market. The big win was using Bollinger Bands, and with this stock, I noticed the Bollinger Band was triggered again here, and the next candlestick is a very strong candlestick. This signify this signifies a very strong, significant movement, and for me, I think this is gonna be a very good pick for tomorrow. I'm not sure how much this will be a win, but usually this kind of signal right here signifies a rally. I don't know if it's gonna be a new trend, but it should be a good rally tomorrow. Number two pick is TFC. Let me get TFC really quick. TFC right here. My internet's still slow. This is one of the reasons I'm gonna explain to you later on. I need to get a faster internet. Come on, third telco. When are you gonna start? Anyways, yes, TFC is on an uptrend right there. This is a trend line, and right now it's sitting on the uptrend line right there. Let me zoom it in. Oh, sorry. So yes, this is the uptrend line right here. And right now it's here. You can get a bargain at around here, but if you want to get in right away, it should be a good idea to get in right away anyways. You'll never know if it will go down. That's the advantage of getting in right away. But sometimes patience is a virtue. So you can get a little bargain here at 40.50. So this is a very good stock to get into with the start of an uptrend. It did a breakout on its previous uptrend right here. Now it's on a new trend, and this is looking good. Volume on the last trades were very good, so I'm suggesting this and recommending this for number two. Number three pick is MJC, Manila Jockey Corp. What's the full name of MJC? Manila Jockey Club. Sorry, not corporation. And MJC is officially on an uptrend right there, guys. So we formed a new uptrend. This is a new higher low, and if you have watched our video about spotting uptrends, this is the signal of an uptrend right here. Recommendation is to get in on the line, but I think this is gonna climb right away tomorrow, so it's up to you if you want to get a bargain. Usually mga inchik really likes bargains, so which is very good. So if you're patient enough to get in there, that's good. But if you want to get in right away, get in at the opening price right away. Next is Meg. Let me get Meg. MEG. All right, here. If you see Meg, it's on an uptrend, right? Uptrend spotting. New higher lows. The higher low was right here, so we are trailing the uptrend line for the last 3 days. It did go down on the last day of the market last week, and it's now sitting beautifully next to the uptrend line. It would be best to get in right away tomorrow, as I think this will go up at 5.04, 5.05. You can get in at price. Meg is a very good buy for tomorrow. Next stock is DWC. DWC. Let me get DWC. Right, here's DWC. As you know, DWC is on an uptrend still. Uptrend right there, and it's sitting pretty on the uptrend line still. And I think this is gonna go up, but you can always ask for a bargain because sometimes bargaining does work at 2.71. But if you can't really wait for the bargain, it should be good at 2.82. I think this is gonna rally up. If not, it's gonna ride this uptrend line. So this is a very good buy. I think this is gonna go for a week, for 3 days to go up. This is gonna be 3 days of going up, and maybe on Thursday or Friday it's gonna go down again to the uptrend line for profit taking of those who usually take profits on a Friday. DWC is also a good buy right there. So next stock is SCC. SCC. Let me get SCC. SCC right here. I don't know why SCC is not coming up. Let me just pull it up like this. Here we go. So SCC is on an ascending triangle, and usually that's a very good sign of a possible breakout right here. I want you to buy it at the uptrend line right here, but another strategy is buy it at the breakout. But for me, sayang naman tong gain na ito. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go up any day now. And then, anyways, if you buy here, look at your. Let me use an arrow. Look at your risk is very small right there. You will be cutting loss down here. If you go in here instead of getting up here and then it will go down, the risk will be high. So I would suggest getting in tomorrow and be patient for maybe 2 or 3 days before it breaks out, or it might break out tomorrow, who knows, but it will be best to get in around this price. That's SEC. So many beautiful stocks on a Monday. Next is LMG. Let me get LMG. LMG, as you see, LMG did a breakout. Let me put a horizontal line on the breakout. It did break out beautifully, just a little bit on the resistance before, which was right here. And if you get in, put a stop loss around this spot right here. So basically, this is how long, how short your risk will be, but the ratio for your win will be very high right there. SEC has been consolidating for a lot of time now. It's bound to win, and I think this week will be the win for LMG. Right, so next stock, that's the what do you call this? That's my recommendation for Market Monday. I want you to watch two stocks, which is AEV right here. So AEV is on the verge of breaking out. Almost broke out last Friday. Still at the same price. It did go down, but a correction did happen right there. That signifies strength of the stock. And I think this is gonna test the resistance tomorrow, this resistance, and then not tomorrow, sorry. I'm taping this at 12 a.m. so I'm a bit confused of Sunday and Monday, but anyways, let me just name it Monday. So it might break out Monday, and if it breaks out on Monday, this will be a good buy on Tuesday. So watch AEV, put it on your watch list. Another stock to watch is PF. All right, so PF did increase a bit on the last day, Friday last week, but that little bit was a breakout right here, and usually breakouts are very good to buy. So tomorrow we need a confirmation. If it will be still above this resistance line, it will be a good stock to buy. Our risk ratio, if that happens, is very small right here. PF is very good for long term, as it bought all San Miguel almost all San Miguel stocks are gonna be consolidated in this single stock, so this will surely climb. Anyways, PF, that's done. All right, so also I want you to watch for SMPH. This is something negative, only one negative for this video. SMPH, look at SMPH. It was on an uptrend. Last Friday, it broke its uptrend but did a correction right here. So this is very critical. I want you to watch if it goes down again. That's a bad sign right here. I wanna make an arrow so you can see at what part you should sell. I would ask you to sell right there. If the price hits this area, just sell. Anyways, if it goes down, just wait for it to do an uptrend again. This is a very good stock for long term. But if you want to go down and go up again, it's up to you. But I will strongly suggest just sell it and then just buy it when it comes up again. Anyways, yeah. Let me do this. All right, so a little close up for myself because I'm gonna share to you something very important. Give me 2 seconds. So here we go. Now, I just want to plug something. With the 1,000 subs in the channel, I was able to activate YouTube's sponsorship. What this does is it allows you to support the channel by giving us donations up to how much your heart wants to give. The money will be used to expand the channel, mainly to buy equipments like microphones, lights, and many more. I assure you, the money will be put into good use and will help more Filipinos become financially literate. I promise you that. That's the goal of the channel. Any amount will be heartily accepted. To do that, though, you have to access the channel through the gaming.youtube.com, not the usual YouTube app or not the usual YouTube website, which is youtube.com only. Again, it's gaming.youtube.com and look for the channel Financial Freedom 101. I'll provide a link of the channel at the description of this video and in our Facebook group post with the daily recommendations I provide everyone. Anyways, that's it for today. Expect another video on Tuesday morning. Same videos for the technical analysis of the recommendations I have been providing you. I am going to be more aggressive with the videos from now on, and this is my promise to you as my service to everyone. Once again, this is Lloyd. Let's get rich together. Seize the day. Happy trading.